Hello guys and welcome to a new video, probably the last video before Mustang week, because we are 5 days out. So today pretty much we're just gonna prep the car for Mustang week. Not much to do, just a little cleanup. I want to get the tires cleaned up on the inside of the wheel, like, you know, on the inside. Let me see if I can show you that. Need a dirty example. They're not too bad, but pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the wheels and we go behind it. That's what we're gonna do today. Clean those up. This is pretty much just a small video showing that I'm still alive. We are still ready for Mustang week. I've been pretty busy the last month again. I was trying to make another video about emblems on the car, which I kind of got lost in oh, there you go. Got lost in time, so I wanted to redo the emblems on the fenders and on the rear of the car, because the original ones, they were kind of so I did these. I have the manual focus on. I did these, one of them, but it takes so long to make these that I'm probably not gonna be able to get them done until Mustang week. So we don't worry about that. So today we're just gonna clean the car up a little bit, get it ready, and then also I got a different lens again. I'm not sure yet if I want to keep this one as the camera lens, because it makes the camera heavy as crap, but it gives me this nice blurry background. Also the lens kind of seems like it's much lower than my display is, so it looks like I'm looking into the distance. Anyway, so yeah, let's get this car in the shadow, because I am not going to work in the sun. And then, oh yeah, by the way, also new microphone. I hope it doesn't do this weird noise that I had an issue with when I got this microphone. Kinda adjusted the recording settings a little bit. So this is pretty much just also a test video, because we are going to make a video at Mustang week almost every day. Maybe it's there. Does that do something? I don't know. Anyway, so pretty much it's a test video. All these camera settings work right. Probably gonna do the other lens though. So yeah, let's get this car over here in the shadow, because shadow, you know. We are back and there is wind, so this is perfect. Test how the wind noise is with this microphone. I hope it's not too bad. It looks like it is. Why am I so dark? Jeez. That makes it a little bit better. The background is super bright, but anyway, so yeah, so what we're gonna do is take off the wheels, clean the inside of the wheels. For a future video, I have actually one future video that's gonna be after Mustang week. I'm gonna change out the mufflers, because right now I have the SLP LM1s with off-road H-pipe and stock headers, and yeah, that's it's pretty loud. So and it doesn't have much sound to it, so it really just sounds like screaming. So I will put some, I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna put Baller S-types or Flowmaster Super 40s on there. It's gonna quiet the car down and give it a little bit more tone, you know, like a deeper, rumblier sound. Either one works for me. But yeah, for today we are going to change the wheels. Let's go. Okay, we got the car jacked up right here. Yeah, I might need to get my other lens. Let me get my other lens. Okay, that's gonna make life a whole lot better. So, some of you might know I have these spiky lug nuts. Have like this color changing kind of look to them. I'm gonna clean those too. So I took those off already. They just screw off, and now we just have to get those lugs off, which I think that was a pretty tight fit. Yes, so I'm gonna have to be very careful. Okay, there we go, got the first wheel off. I'm also gonna try to clean up this brake caliper. You guys might remember I was doing that myself, pretty much you know, spray painting it with caliper paint. Well, it did last for well, it's been a year now. It did last for a year, but now you see all these scratches. It's turning yellow instead of white. You guys can't even see that. It I can get those clean at least a little bit better than what they look right now. So I'm using just some Chemical Guys wheel cleaner, and I'm just gonna spray these off. Look at this. Okay, so the next thing that's gonna be is wait, there you go. The next thing is gonna be cleaning up these wheels. From the outside they are pretty clean because I always clean them, but inside, yeah. And you can see this on these wheels, so that's why I'm trying to clean them up. I'm just gonna roll them over there to the water hose and spray them off. Use some wheel cleaner. Also, if you guys wanna see some stinger content, as you can see, I got new tires on the back. I can make some stinger videos too. Even if not, you guys just don't watch them, right? Because I saw the first and only video I did about the car blew up pretty well, or it did really well. It didn't blow up, but it did really well. People were pretty interested in it, and there is still stuff to do on this car. I did some stuff on it, and there's gonna be more stuff done on it. Cool. But yeah, so now we're gonna spray this wheel off inside and out, scrub it really well, and then I'm probably gonna put like Chemical Guys hydro
ceramic
coating stuff, and then they should be really shiny. So let's go. Good, so here's what we're gonna use. We're gonna use some regular Chemical Guys. Well, this is just in a Harbor Freight spray bottle, but it's Chemical Guys wheel cleaner. And then once the wheel is clean and detailed, we're gonna put, what is it called? Hydrocharged
ceramic
brake coating. Ceramic, sorry, I'm always saying it wrong. It's ceramic. It's because I'm German. Okay. This thing has a hole, that's why it's making that noise. Luckily these tires are not that old yet, they're only a year old. So they clean up very easy. First tire is clean. I'm gonna bring it back and then we're gonna dry it. Good, so that should be number one. Let's go over there, dry it really good, and then detail it. What sucks about my backyard right now, the grass got cut, so there's grass flying everywhere. The tire full of grass. Oh well. All I'm worried about is the inside of the tire, so yeah, let me get some microfiber towels and then we're gonna dry it up. So here we are, we got the wheel all shiny. We put on, cleaned it up with this quick detailer first, and then we used some hydrocharge ceramic spray coating on it, and yeah, it looks like brand new literally on the inside and the outside. And let me turn it around. Woo. Looks like a brand new wheel. So now we're gonna put it back on the car, and then we got only 3 more to do, which I will not record the whole process. So we will see us again once this whole thing is completed. Well, after about, it was 2 hours. After about 2 hours of wheel cleaning, we are looking really shiny now. Here's the end result. Looks like brand new wheels all around. Also, I got the calipers really nicely cleaned up. Yeah, looks like a new wheel now. Good. So, also that's pretty much it for this. It's a short video. Just a short update video. Like I said, I gotta sneeze. Okay. We are only 5 days away from Mustang week number 1, Mustang week Monday Mustang week, whatever. I'm gonna try to record every day, so every day you guys will have a new video. That will probably either post at night every time I record it, or the next morning. I'm gonna have to see how I'm gonna do this because the schedule is really busy, and we're gonna try to get to everything most the things that we are interested in, which is almost every day other than Wednesday. Was it Wednesday or Thursday? One of the days there's not much Mustang stuff going on, so there might be a little break day where we're just gonna calm down, you know, chill a little bit. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a like. Be ready for next week. That's when Mustang week happens, and I will see you then. Bye bye.